What is it about getting older? The parts that we want to be skinny, they're not.
And the parts that we want to be full, like our lips, sometimes lose volume. But there's something new that treats fine lines and wrinkles, including those around the mouth.
That's right. It's called Volbella, and Dr. Joel Schlessinger is here to show us the difference this can really make. Doctor, good to see you this morning.
Great to be
Happy
here.
holidays. Thanksgiving is coming up pretty quickly.
Right.
You got big plans?
Oh, absolutely. Eating a lot of turkey.
That's what we all do.
Same plans here.
Absolutely. Let's talk about the benefits of Volbella. What's the big deal about this?
So, you know, we've had lip treatments for a long time. We've had Restylane, now we've had Restylane Silk, and we've done Juvederm for lips, but now Volbella is a different type of treatment. Volbella is kind of like Voluma, which is the longer acting form of Juvederm, but it also has a smoother, more natural look to it. So a lot of the treatments that have been present before had a nice result, but they weren't quite as smooth as people wanted. So the nice thing about this is that it gets in there, and when it gets in there, it kind of conforms, it molds to the shape of the lip very nicely.
So you can't tell as much that some work was done as you could with some other treatments.
Right. You know, one of the things that people are so concerned about when it comes to lips is, will it look natural? I don't want to have a lip that is obvious that something has been done. And Volbella is probably the answer to that.
So who's a good candidate for this? How is it administered? How long does it last? Give us the specifics, because I know there's ladies out there that are interested.
Well, the nice thing is that since it is on the Voluma platform, it's that same Vicross technology, it lasts anywhere from 6 to 12 months.
Wow.
6 to 12 months. So it's very, very nice.
Who are the good candidates? I don't know if it's a certain age, gender. Who makes a good candidate for this?
Well, you know, for example, I think that a lot of women start to see some changes in their upper lip, even if they haven't been smokers, but they look like they have been smoking. Little fine wrinkles at the top of their lip, and it just doesn't look like something they want to portray themselves as. So this is one of those things that even if you don't want to have like full, bigger, bodacious lips, you don't want to have smoker wrinkles or things that can be kind of confused as
and the picture on the left, that's
before
where
and
we
then
started.
after. And there will be a closer-up of that one, I think. Yeah, there's a closer-up.
Wow, that's a huge difference.
And that was without any bruising, without any significant swelling, pain, discomfort. It's a very simple procedure, and it looks so natural that, you know, you wouldn't even know that you'd had anything done.
No, it doesn't look like anything has been done on that picture on the right at all. What's the procedure like? How does the process of this work?
Well, it's kind of simple. Here's the actual treatment, and so you can see it's this kind of cute pink syringe. That's a new one for me. We haven't had pink syringes before, but Volbella is Volbella is the answer for that. But you have the person get ready. We have some little numbing that we put on it, and then we inject the Volbella. It takes no more than about 3 to 5 minutes, and all it's done.
How do you determine where to place the injections on the lip?
Well, that's where the skill comes in. This is not an area that you go into without knowing what you're doing. You need to know the anatomy. You need to have an aesthetic that is out there, because, you know, between a good job on the lips and you know, a job that looks like pout lips or duck lips or however you want to call it, there's a lot of judgment that comes in there. So a lot of times what we see is people say, I don't want that, it doesn't look good, and you realize that they've seen like Hollywood lips that just don't look natural. This is what this is all about, natural, easy. And we still have other treatments that are out there like Silk, and Silk is also a very good treatment, and we've been using Silk for years. But Silk makes more of a structural difference. So in other words, it's going to lift a little bit more. It's going to be a little bit more defined. So some people do want that look.
So that's where you talk about maybe a little more puffiness than eliminating specific wrinkles.
Yes, and you know, some people want that pouty look, a little pouty.
Full lip.
Yeah, and it's great because we have options for people, and the longevity is getting better and better so that people don't have to come in every 3 to 6 months. It's more like every 6 to 12 months, get your lips taken care of, and it will look really good for a long time.
Well, and one of the advantages, too, of seeing your team is that you know the ins and outs of all of these. In some cases, you're the ones doing the research on these things, so you can definitely have someone come in for a consultation, see what's right. You offer all kinds of treatments. So speaking of that, maybe people are interested in this, but maybe they want to take care of this or something else too.
There's different spots on the
Does
face.
the
right?
Volbella, does it make sense to do that at the same time as other procedures?
Oh, absolutely. Well, sometimes we do Botox or Dysport on the crow's feet, glabella, and around the lips, because sometimes this is a muscular type of thing. It's a really nice opportunity to kind of make these things work together, last longer, and have a more global effect.
Well, Volbella is what we're talking about this morning, and you brought in a special offer for our viewers like you so generously do every time you're on. But the special offer today, mention the morning blend and save. That's what it is. Now through December 16th, receive $100 off your filler treatment of $500 or more now through December 16th, like
And
we said.
that is a significant savings.
Absolutely, yeah.
How quickly are you able to see somebody if they're interested today and they'd like to get in right away to get looking their best for the holidays?
Well, the neat thing about Volbella is that you can do it and you'll be at holidays and not have any problems with any swelling, bruising. It's just a very nice, easy treatment. So have them call the office. We'd love to see them and get you taken care of so that your holiday looks even better.
Yeah,
I like
and
it.
And if you want to investigate a little further, the website's at the bottom of the screen too. So there's a little more research that you can be doing.
Here's a holiday present right here in a little pink syringe.
You betcha.
Doctor, thank you for
Dr.
your
thank
time
you.
today.
Have a great Thanksgiving.
Thank you. You
All right.
too.
Guests of the Morning Blend start their day with